So do you think now is the time to abort this?
Yeah.
It's too strong, yeah.
Yeah, we have to cancel operation.
Okay.
You can stop recording if you want.
Okay.
Okay, record.
The ROV's thrusters are being pushed to the limit, but eventually, Achilles is secured.
The challenges of this dive reminded us just how difficult our search for six-gill sharks was going to be.
In Seattle, Jeff Christensen's study subjects are a little more cooperative. To find sixgills in Puget Sound, Jeff simply has to look beneath his feet.
Prior to the summer of 2000, we noticed an increase in reports of diver shark encounters. And then at the same time, the thing that really kicked it off was people started to catch sharks at some of the local fishing piers. And when they put directed effort into catching these sharks, they found that they were very successful.
Shark fishing was soon banned here, and Seattle Aquarium stepped in to investigate these unexpected inhabitants of their local waters. They have developed a pioneering method of study.
The thing that's really unique about this study is that we don't have to have ROVs or submarines or very expensive vessels. The sharks actually come to us. We have a shark cage constructed at the very end of the aquarium's pier, 60 feet down, central Seattle waterfront.
Baits in front of the cage entice the sharks closer to the cameras. But to study sixgills means working the graveyard shift. The sharks only appear beneath the aquarium at night.
At that cage, we have lights and cameras that can run 24 hours a day if we need. And when sharks are present, we'll put a dive team in the water.
The images captured are streamed live into the aquarium. While Jeff and his team observe the sharks' behavior, the dive team can tag them. Some tags are used just to identify individuals. Acoustic radio tags track the sharks' positions as they move past listening stations dotted around the bay.
Surface the divers, there's two sharks coming in from
The dive is coordinated from the observation platform, essential support for both science and safety.
the lower shark. But anytime you're working around a large animal, there's a lot of potential for it to do harm. And we have a lot of respect for what the sixgill could do to us. Now, it's not known to be a spontaneously aggressive shark, but after watching them eat, especially watching them eat very large pieces of food, we found that they're a phenomenally tenacious shark. And once they bite on something, they do not like to let go.
And divers also face the hazard of nitrogen narcosis, a drunken sensation that occurs when gases enter their bloodstream under pressure.
Anytime you get to work around a large predator underwater, divers get excited about that. And what we've found is that just 60 feet of water gives you enough nitrogen narcosis to make the dive team want to get outside the cage and swim with the sharks. And that's really why the person in charge of that dive is the person who's sitting back on the shore, the dive coordinator at the Shark Research Station, using the wireless communications to be able to direct the divers' activities. Because otherwise the divers would all bug out and go swimming around chasing sharks all the time. It's too much fun.
The monitoring station gives the public a rare opportunity to experience marine science in action. One surprising discovery that Jeff's team has made is that nearly all the sharks observed beneath the aquarium are juveniles. It suggests that the waters of Puget Sound may be of particular significance for sixgill sharks.